All right, there. The truth is, YouTube, it's there in the flesh, baby. And somebody else got a little something too. I need to bring my shoes in from earlier. I was out here shooting a video earlier, but that's what I've been waiting on. Let's get inside and get them open. All right, let's get into it. But before we get into it, let me show y'all a little grinder over here. Haven't used her up, but I decided to open her up and make sure everything was in. Make sure everything was in there, and it is. So I don't think y'all need to see how a grinder works or anything. Today, our mission is this right here. I haven't even said the name yet, but y'all probably already know if you looked at the title. But let's get it on open here. They got a nice double bag or something you can see here. Oh man, come on. They make you work to get in it, don't they? They make y'all work to get in there. They make y'all work for it. All right, guys. Are y'all ready for this? Ta-da! It is my sous vide. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to sous vide a few things on this channel. I don't cook well, I do cook everything, but I don't cook everything the same way. We're going to sous vide a few things today, y'all. And let's go ahead and unbox it real quick. Show y'all what's going on the inside of here. Show y'all what's going on down on the inside. It's not much, but you already know here, of course. And this is what she looks like. She's digital, of course. And she's have Bluetooth capability, so I can be wherever with my phone and check the timeout on her, turn her on or off, or adjust temperatures and things like that. This right here is just a clamp for whatever container I'm gonna sit her on. I'm not gonna go buy one of the most special pots everybody be having. I'm just gonna do what I got. I'm gonna put her on the side of a pot. You know what I mean? All right, and that's all to that. Let's go ahead and get to using her, you know. All right, so it looks like we have to install an app, which I've already installed, but I have not started it just yet. Let's go ahead and add some water to the pot and put it to the test. Now, after you have the app downloaded, you're going to want to find the sous vide under Small Kitchen Electric Appliances. And once you find that, go ahead and connect to your Wi-Fi. To connect the sous vide to your Wi-Fi, hold the power button down for it to go into reset to look for that Bluetooth setting. And your phone should pick it up after about no more than 3 minutes. I'll save you guys from being bored and just fast forward my little 3 minutes while I wait. And also, while we're waiting, I might as well tell y'all I did cheat a little bit, but I only cheated so the sous vide didn't have to start warming the water up from scratch. Because, you know, I just had faucet temperature water, but I warmed it up to about a good 120 degrees before I started the sous vide. All right, and there it is, folks. Mine have found the sous vide. Now what's left to do is set your temperature and time for whatever you may be cooking. I'm just testing it out here, so I'll probably just put it on any kind of temperature and I don't know, 2 hours too, just to test the Wi-Fi out. So there it is, folks. Live in the flesh. Stay tuned. Some new things are coming to this channel.